Hey, I'm Scott Perdue, and I'm here today at the TurboTech Pavilion. Here, this is the TurboProp engine that they're putting in the Cub Crafters Carbon Cub ULT, and in that version it does 142 horsepower. Want to do an interview with the CEO, Damien, but looks like we're going to disconnect, so oh well. Anyway, I'm here and I'm going to talk about this a little bit. This particular engine does about 142 horsepower. It's called regenerative gas turbine, and what it does is it takes the exhaust from the turbine section here, the burner section if you will, and then recuperates about, gains about 40% of that, and then sticks that back into the combustion chamber, so it doesn't have to use all fuel to generate the heat that's needed to then get things going here in the prop blade. So that saves a lot of fuel, and it burns somewhere between 6, 8, 9 gallons per hour in this type of this model right here. So this is the intake, this is the gear reduction system. As the turbine spins here, then it spins this, and then that converts it to a regular RPM that you can use for the prop, so it's not turning too fast. Very fascinating. Talk to him about scaling, because while this is cool for small airplanes, my Bonanza, I need 300 horsepower. So asked them about that, and they said yes, it is scalable. So at about 20% larger, then they can get to 250 to 300 horsepower, and off you go. So when I talked to one of the fellows yesterday, he said that this engine cost about $120,000 to $140,000, and in this model here, the smaller horsepower, it's two FADEC systems that control it. One primarily, and then it's got a backup electronic FADEC that's full authority digital electronic engine control, and so it does the RPM, everything. All you do is a single lever, and that's pretty cool. And as I said, it burns, most is about 9 gallons per hour. It's ready for takeoff. You don't have to, when you start it, it's push button start, and off you go. You're ready to go right away. This is the alternator, and or I think it's actually a generator, starter generator kind of a thing, although they didn't tell me that. Anyway, that's where that is right there. So fascinating engine, and I think it might be fully adaptable to our higher horsepower, higher combustion engines if this whole unleaded 100 octane unleaded blows up. We'll see. Anyway, I just wanted you to see this. I think this is one of the biggest technological innovations here recently, to get a gas turbine engine that a turboprop that's small enough and doesn't burn 25 to 30 gallons an hour. It's fantastic. And TBO on this, they told me, was 3,000 hours. And you have to do periodic inspections of the blades, but that's pretty standard. Looking for, they do a visual inspection, borescope inspection. It's pretty standard for turbine engines anyway. So anyway, yeah, it's a little more expensive, but maybe we can keep flying. So look for news on this thing as we go. And like I said, I think this is one of the most exciting things here at Oshkosh. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on FlyWire.